Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys defense. Now some of y'all may wonder why defense is so important. It's because you have to stop the other team from scoring in order to win the game, right? If you're a really good offensive team and you can score a lot of points, but you're not a good defensive team and you can't stop them, that's going to affect your game. While you're playing defense, remember little things while you're in the game. Some coaches like to run man-to-man defense, and some coaches like to run zone defenses. Now, a zone defense is when you cover particular areas of the court.
In a zone defense, your primary responsibility is to guard an area of the court, referred to as a zone. But there are exceptions to that instruction as well. Zones are normally circular in shape and about 10 to 15 feet across. The size of the zone normally depends on the mobility of the defender guarding that zone. There are several zone defensive sets. They're referred to by a series of numbers. The numbers represent a count of zones that are set up across the court, starting at half court and working down to the baseline. For example, a 2-1-2 zone defense has two zones, each centered at the elbow of the free throw lane, one zone in the center of the lane, and two more zones located near the blocks. Those are the large rectangular marks along the free throw lane near the baseline.
So, man-to-man defense is when you're guarding an individual player with or without the ball. You stick to one person. Just like any other skill, some players are really good at defending the perimeter. Now, the perimeter is the outside of the court. And some players are really good at defending the paint, which is closer to the rim, inside. Now, you have to remember, some defenders are really skilled and are able to defend the perimeter and the paint. If you want to really watch some great defenders, watch some Draymond Green highlights, or Kawhi Leonard, or Giannis Antetokounmpo, or Anthony Davis.
Mina said, I would have felt better about that prediction.
Here's Levine. Wow, Thibault slapped it out of there.
This kid is special defensive.
So 13 is the deficit. It could have been worse had it not been for the guy that's second in the league.
Free throws attempted a career high for a quarter in the first by DeRozan. Wall is denied by Wright. They get it back and Lawson had it partially deflected underneath. Here comes Siakam, a little.
So hey, let's work on some footwork. So this right here is me preparing to get into a defensive stand. Now when you get into a defensive stand, you want to sit down as if you're sitting on a toilet. You want to make sure your knees are bent and that your arms are out wide. Now the next thing you want to do is shuffle your feet side to side as quickly as possible. The reason why you want to do this drill is that it'll help your agility. So here's what you don't do on defense. You never want to stand straight up and have your arms down. Now here's the proper defense. See how it's a lot harder for me to score? So remember everyone, no arms down, no slow moving, and keep your arms out and hustle and slide your feet. I promise you'll make the offensive player work a lot harder. Thanks for watching. Be sure to practice these drills